Hi, you will now see a short demonstration of Necto. Necto is a great BI tool for analytics. It also contains integration with lots of other data sources such as Microsoft Tools, SQL 2012, Tabular Model for example, Excel services, Power View, etc. And it can also contain a lot of other data sources information. Now Nectar has a couple of more highlights other than analysis. These highlights are relevancy, giving the user the most relevant information without him looking for it. So the system actually has a special algorithm that searches behind the scenes and giving the user the most relevant information that he needs to see. Another very interesting highlight is the contextual discovery. So users just have to click on the search location, search for something, so he can search for a workboard, a discussion, or inside a workboard for a letter, and then he'll be able to get more valuable information for him. The third one is collaboration. So user can actually collaborate with one of his peers, make an ad hoc group that will solve an issue, and everything is in the BI system. And everything is within SharePoint site. Let's see what I'm talking about. So we got to the relevant information that the system offered me. I'll go to the CEO overview, which is a workboard that the system says that it is most relevant for me, and I'll double click it. You now see a CEO overview that contains several KPIs. It also contains some all-up information, Excel services, and reporting services if needed. Let's add to this workboard some tabular model details. So I'll take the view component here and I'll put it instead of Excel services. Now before I continue and select the data that I would like to choose, let's see the SQL Server 2012 which is installed on a server. So now we can see the database. We can see several tables that exist in it, and we can also browse the data from here. Let's go back to Necto and select this same database. So I'll create a new connection to this same location, and select the sales perspective. I'll click finish, and now I get all of the information I need from the tabular model side by side with the all-up model. Let's go and select only grid and select all of the measures. So now you'll see in one grid data from the tabular model and in the other data from all-up model, whilst on the right you see some reporting services which is referring to SQL Server database. I can also maximize the view and see it in a better perspective. I can also minimize it. And let's have another thing. Let's get some more information from Power View inside Necto, which is inside SharePoint. So I'm taking another component that is already connected to Power View. I'll maximize it. And now you see Power View in motion inside Necto. So let's minimize the view now. And I would like to see why am I in a bad situation here. So let's collaborate with other peers. So I'll open the social ribbon by clicking the social tab. I'll see all of my friends, all of my peers, and I'll take Tomer Paz and collaborate with him about this information. A discussion will be opened, and now I'll be able to talk with him about these issues. So I'll click here. Please investigate the root causes for these issues. I'll check it, and then you'll be able to see that on my site it is it is also being updated. So last thing I would like to show you today is the ability to connect Necto with Link. So just by going to one of my workboards and hovering above one of my peers, I'll be able to start a link conversation about the data. So I can just email him from here, or start a discussion, or even call this person. So thank you all for joining this meeting. Hope you all enjoyed this short demonstration of Necto, and have a wonderful day.